Hi guys, let's just do a quick tutorial on how you can get a pinkish glow, a natural sort of glow in just 2 minutes with just 2 products. The first one is this face oil from Indulged Essentials. This is the rose gold oil, and the second one I'm using is the Maybelline lip gradation lip color in the shade pink one. So for the face, first of all, what I'm gonna do is take some oil and applying on my face. And the second product I'm using here now is this. And now I'm applying some of the color on my eye, basically the eyelids, just a little bit. Spreading all over it. Sorry, I forgot to apply it on my lips. So just have to give us a little bit of tint on your lips. Hope you guys enjoyed. Do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.